everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a Etsy purchase that says Penguin Mail. How cute is this? This is from Planner Penguin. And let's see what I ordered. Oh, that says thank you for your order, and it has them holding on to their little penguin. Oh, that's cute. And then here's this one. It's a sampler. Take out the trash, get groceries, lazy day. Oh, she gave me 2 samplers. And then this one's cute. It has little penguins and it says Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. And then here's a penguin that's knitting and shopping, my favorite things. And knitting again. Maybe the first one's crocheting. Probably. But that's okay. I will use them interchangeably. And watering the plants or taking care of the plants. And pumpkin spice latte. And then it's back to the beginning. So how cute are these? I love them. I know that I got them because of the knitting ones. I saw the knitting penguin and I had to do it because my son loves penguins. And I love my son. So it's fun to do things that remind me of him, or my daughter, you know. Things that remind you of people that you love. So there we go. That's what I got from the Planner Penguin. And they are found on Etsy. I'll link their shop below. And I'm sure that they would love if you came. And if you said that TT.Scraps sent you, I'd appreciate it. So have a wonderful day. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.